going to record first. Right? Are you ready now? So grab one paper like this, and then fold it.
Have one paper.
Fold it into
Not
the
this.
side like this. Fold it.
Fold it.
Fold it first, like this, and then after you fold it, then you have to fold it once again like this, facing the upside of your paper. Yay!
This. Like this.
Yes.
Like this.
Glenn, can you make
You'll
another
do
one,
like
please?
this.
Glenn, grab some paper again one more time.
Oh, okay.
What? Again?
Yeah, again.
Okay.
This right.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Al.
Come on, Ruth, grab your paper and prepare it for drawing. Come on. Gina, are you ready? Now,
Yes.
so this, you make it like this. After this one is done, this this area will facing. This will be our front side of the drawing. Yeah. So we're going to start. All right. Where's my marker? All right. This one. We're going to draw a monster. Yeah, but this time maybe the monster looks very scary. All right. We will draw something first.
That is what I'm hyped about. Can I use this?
Like that.
I'm going to use this.
Like
This
this.
one first.
Like so.
Yeah. Draw the monster like this first before we learn about Pablo Picasso's drawing. And then I'm going to draw two eyes, maybe.
This time I will make it 3 eyes.
Yeah, maybe.
Can I make it 4 eyes?
Yeah, you can make 4 eyes, even 1 eye, 2 eyes, because of monster.
Make eyes.
Usually
Make eyes.
looks more
Doesn't
with
have to be
right. Right. To draw the monster with maybe.
Make him all of the man. All the eyes are man.
Yay, like this one. You can make it different, yeah? You don't have to follow Mr. R. Mine is ugly. You can make it more better, okay? Like this.
Eyes ugly.
Yeah. And then I'm going to make the monster looks smiling. Like this. Monster looks so smiling, yeah?
No. Mine is scary.
Those are scary? Yeah, something like that.
Oh, yeah. The funny one.
Oh, is it true? This is hard for you to follow my drawing? I draw 2 eyes and a smiley face. I'm a smiley mouth like this. Right? I'm going to make it a little bit more friendly like this. But actually, when I open the, yeah, like that. What? Fruit have 4 eyes? Yay! That's great. That's great.
I'm making up.
Yeah.
I have 3 eyes.
Yeah. Wow, 3 eyes. Okay then.
3 eyes.
That's good. That's what we call it creative. Gina just for
I want to connect.
Gina is grade 5 now. I mean, yeah, grade 5 or what? Yeah. Come on, Ruth, draw. Right now we have to open the paper. See? Yeah, I'm opening the paper now. Open the paper now.
Then connect the line.
Then, Ruth, you have to connect the line. This line until goes down, meeting
Connect the
the
line.
Oh, this is becoming more long now,
Yeah,
right? Yeah. Yeah, connect this. And also the mouth connected to the bottom side of the paper of the drawing. Yay! Now I have a lot and long. Yeah, it's cute, right? Oh.
Get the horns.
Yeah, get the horns. Go, horn is a good idea. So I will draw the horns. Horns on the left and the right side. You. The horn looks so scary.
I have 6 horns. I have 6 horns.
Yeah, that's good.
horn.
Very good. Glenn, keep on going.
I have 6 horns.
Yeah.
Oh, Glenn.
I have 6 horns.
Now I'm going to draw the scary teeth. Scary teeth.
It's a very weird one.
Monster have scary teeth like that.
Wow.
He is trying to
You
kill us.
can,
Even he is trying to bite us. No, no, monster, go away, please, go away. Alright? We're going to draw. Yeah,
And the
Rudy.
little one is smiling like this.
Yeah, Glenn, you're also good. Great job, Glenn.
Like this?
That's
Now,
okay.
draw the heart shapes in the middle of the mouth. Come on,
Can I
Ruth.
make another?
Ruth, draw the heart shape in the middle of your mouth, of your monster mouth. Draw the heart shape like this.
Okay.
Yeah. And then put the tongue here.
I already want to color it.
Mister, can I make it like this?
Yeah. All right. If we fold it again one more time, it will look like this. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. I'm going to eat you, everyone. See that? Ready? 1, 2, go. Ah! Ah! Like that. Right? Yeah. Now you have to put some legs on your monster.
Yeah, I forgot the legs.
Yeah, you put legs.
I have 6 legs.
Monster have only short legs.
No. You need to fold it back. You need to fold it back like him.
Yeah, draw the legs, Ruth.
Draw the leg
Okay.
like this. Yes, draw the leg.
This is next.
Ruth, you can scare your mommy like this. Mommy, look at my cute monster, and suddenly when it is facing your mommy's face, something like, "Rah!"
I put it and cover your face.
Mommy will scream, "Oh my God, I'm running!" Right?
Get the draw the legs.
Devanka, can you show me?
Trace it.
Yeah, wow, Devanka's drawing really good. Right, enough for drawing the monster. You can color it now. Now we are going to learn the deep side of art using Pablo Picasso's style, yeah? Like this. Ah, ah, ah. Right?
I want to color it.
Yeah, you can color it now. You can color it with green.
My
Body of
nose.
the... Yeah. This can surprise your friends also. You can play with your friend or your mommy or your daddy. Just try to draw a cute monster at the front, but suddenly when we open the mouth, we'll look so scared. Ah, ah. Right? I think we are
Is it
done.
allowed to make the tongue black? Hey, it's time Wait. Is it allowed to make the tongue black?
Sorry?
Is it allowed to make the tongue black?
Yes, yes. Actually, in art, everything is possible, Gina. You just make your own, decorate it, modify it based on your age. Yeah?
I think somebody's sitting.
Yeah, for Ruth or the Panka, maybe they have a limitation in terms of creativity, but for Glenn and Gina, I think I expected that you guys more creative and make it more alive, make it more merrier with your ideas. Right? Yeah, like that. Can I see that? Oh my God, very good. Gina, what is your sister's name?
Yeah.
What is your
This is Dania.
Daniela?
This is my cute monster. This is my uncute monster.
Gina, what is your sister's name?
Dania.
All right.
You can trace it.
No.
No. You don't want to trace it? That's okay.
This one is fun, right?
I have 2 monsters.
Wow.
You're gonna
Glenn create 2
I
monsters.
have 2 monsters. We are friends.
Come on, Gina, show me please. Yeah, can you close it first?
Okay.
See that?
They are friends.
Only the body.
Yeah,
Only
really
the
good.
body.
That's really good, Gina. Right, are we done with this? We are done with the monster?
Yes.
All right, we're going to go to another
Yes.
deeper learning of
Another picture.
Mommy,
Let me tell you my presentation. Wait,
Pablo Picasso.
yeah, Pablo Picasso. This is Pablo Picasso.
I have a paper.
Ready?
I'll be right back.
Oh, look at the painting, Luti. It's Pablo Picasso's painting.
So are you ready?
You want to
Glenn?
color this first? That's
Gina?
fine. If you want to color it while waiting for him to.
So a long time ago, guys,
Yes.
long time ago, actually, there is a lot of painters in the Europe is
Yes.
meeting, and then they are creating a lot of artwork. Okay. Actually, we already knows about Leonardo da Vinci. Who else? If you know one of the greatest artists in the world,
Pablo Picasso.
yeah, Pablo Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci. Who else? Gina, can you give me one examples of one of the famous artists in the world? Gina, you're waiting.
Yeah.
Can you help me to find one names of the one of the greatest artists in the world?
Pablo Picasso.
I know.
Yeah, Pablo Picasso is one. Second one is Leonardo da Vinci. Who else?
And
I don't know anyone.
You can ask your mommy if you want.
got. Oh yeah.
Because I don't trust anybody.
Ow.
I don't have to trust.
Don't know anyone because I don't trust anybody.
Yeah, actually in art.
It's one of Pablo Picasso's birth.
What? Sorry?
Yeah.
Again, Gina, your voice is too, too low. Make it more higher, please.
I don't know how to make it bigger.
Oh yeah, now it's clear now. You have to make it more louder. All right, you know Leonardo da Vinci, right? We also
Yeah.
know about Pablo Picasso. And then I give you a clue, yeah? The next is, who else?
Well,
The next who are famous with the pointillism style. You don't know?
Van Gogh.
Van Gogh, yeah. Van Gogh,
Whoa.
Vincent Van Gogh, then the rest. Right? Now, I want Glenn to read the presentation. Come on, Glenn, read the presentation first, please. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Who is Pablo Picasso? He is a very famous artist who likes to make portraits of people with a different look. He was born on 25 October 1881. He co-founded the Cubism art. He helped make Cubism painting more famous by making more and more paintings using Cubism.
So next will be Gina's turn, yeah? Gina, come on, read.
how was he famous? He was famous because he co-founded the art of Cubism. He helped make Cubism famous throughout the world. He made very unique and cool pictures, paintings, and portraits.
All right, now what is Cubism? Who have any idea about Cubism? What is Cubism? Ruth, you know what is Cubism?
Do you know what is using?
Okay, Ruth, I want you to read. Can you read?
I cannot read, Mommy.
You want mommy to read it? Or read together with mommy, okay?
Yeah, mommy,
1, 2,
read it.
What is Cubism? Cubism was one of the most significant art movements of the 20th century. It began in France about 1907 and flourished from 1910 through the 1920s. It was pioneered by Georges Braque and Pablo Picasso.
The last one.
It is called
Cubism
because
the items
the items
represented
represented
in the artworks look
like they are made out of
cubes,
and other
geometrical
shapes.
Oh, cubism is made from the word cubes or other geometrical shapes. Yeah, as we can see that in this example that Pablo Picasso creates anything. He saw some trees and suddenly he will turn it into cubes. He saw some flowers, maybe it will also turn into cubes. So we're going to learn like Pablo Picasso, okay? Now I want you guys to present your work, your paper first. We're going to learn to draw like Pablo Picasso. Ready? Prepare your paper first. This is how Pablo Picasso tried to draw something. Okay. So the first one, when he see some trees like this, he will just simply create a tree shape like this. All right. Can you start to draw the trees now, please? Ruth, Gina, and Glenn. Come on.
It's okay. Whatever you want to do.
Yeah. For Ruth, it's okay. You can follow or you can make your own version of Pablo Picasso, yeah? And then suddenly we can divide it, we can slide the tree like this. You can
Or you can make the tree like this. Can you make the tree like him? You don't need, yeah, but in the beginning, you need to follow your teacher's instruction.
And you will draw the flowers, the butterfly.
Hey, why are you still screen sharing?
Oh, sorry. I have to stop sharing first. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Thank you, Glenn, for explaining how to share it. Can you see my hand now?
What's that?
The shape of
Can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can.
All right, draw the body of the.
I can't see you.
Yeah, now draw the body. Okay, draw the body.
Oh, you're making the butterfly.
Yeah, butterfly again, because butterfly is the simplest one that we can create. But maybe I will.
Okay, I'm gonna write.
Yeah, it's a tree.
But this time, Glenn, I'm going to turn it into dragonfly, yeah?
Baby dragonfly.
Baby dragonfly. So after you draw the body like this,
Wings like an.
don't forget the dragonfly also having a the tail like this.
Okay.
The head,
Look,
body.
I already drawn the whole part of the butterfly.
No, this time we are not going to draw butterfly, but dragonfly.
What? Dragonfly.
Right, dragonfly have a little bit smaller wings, like that. Hi Ruth, how is it? Ruth? Is it hard for you to draw the wings? Remember, dragonfly have only a small wings like this, but Yeah, but very long, yeah? Like that.
Oh, it's a dragonfly now.
And then you have to draw another one small, slim, and very long uh, wings. And it will create like this.
Yes, beautiful.
Nice, right? So you can make another one. You know how to draw the dragonfly now. You create your own. I will
You need
create
to do
another one.
another, yes.
Take this out? It's easy, right? I want to make the flower.
Yeah, you can draw the flowers. Now after that you have to divide this into a cube or a geometrical line like
Okay.
that.
And now I want to draw the flowers.
Make a random line like this. And then start to fill all the empty space
I'm using pink.
with the color.
Do you like my flower?
Yes, I love your flower. Ruth, watch him. Follow what he's doing.
But I want to follow him.
Yeah, follow him, please.
No.
Oh, you wanna follow Kakak Glenn?
Right, next
Just
time.
do lines on the dragonfly. Easy.
Can I color the tree?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I thought it's a pink.
Okay, while Ruth and Glenn are coloring, I want to teach Gina how to make the two faces using using Pablo Picasso's drawing style, yeah?
Yep.
Actually, Gina, last Wednesday, we already created two faces,
No, look at
facial, two facial faces like this, two facial expressions like this. All right. As we know,
Ow.
Pablo Picasso are really creative. He just like in the part when he already decided that he already good in cubism style. That's why he start to create another painting using cubism. As we see on this part later, wait, I'm going to show you. Last week we already create like this kind of drawing, yeah. This one made by Picasso last time, and this one we call it the weeping woman. Ada perempuan lagi nangis, and then Pablo Picasso trying to see something different with his eyes, and then it's ended with this kind of result. Yeah. So if Gina want to try, come on, you can try now. I'm going to grab one paper, and then we're going to make like this kind of. For Ruth and Glenn, you can just continue coloring your butterfly uh, and your flowers or dragonfly. Yeah? Try to make a
Yeah,
slice
he prepared
drawing
the picture.
and color every space.
Yeah, let's go.
Right now for Gina, we learn about how to draw the faces. Usually we just start with the shape of the face like this first, Gina.
Wait, I'll be right back.
Because I know you love red.
Yes.
So Ruth, this is my drawing. Yay, I'm drawing a butterfly and flowers, and I slice all the shape of the
Can I do
flowers and butterfly, and
Yeah.
I fill it with color.
Look
One
look at
also
that.
by the Panka. And
Me too.
Ruth, after you're done, please show me, yeah? Ruth, please show me your
Okay.
screen later. Thank you. Now, Gina, draw the face like this first,
Okay.
and then you have to draw one face like this, but you can make your own. Okay, as we can see that this have a two facial expression. This one is, you can see some people face from the side, and this one is from the front. So I will try to draw the eyes of this person, and then this one also.
Mommy, look at my brother.
Wow, beautiful.
Like that. I will try to make this person are crying, but this one is smiling, yeah? So we put the line like this. I cover this, yeah. I cover this side, it will look like that this person are crying, but if I cover this side, it will look like that the person are smiling.
No, it's like smiling.
Yeah, mad or like just staring at somebody else. Okay. And then we just draw the ear.
Look at him, Ruthie. He's drawing a split face.
And then we will draw the hair of the person. Maybe you can create this.
Funny, beautiful.
But mine is more beautiful.
Yeah.
So something like this, right?
Oh.
Some people found that Pablo Picasso's drawing are very scary because he just creating a very rare or very weird composition of a face.
But it's cool.
Yeah, but some of them also say that this one is cool.
Yes.
Okay, we are running out of time again. We only have 10 minutes after this. So something like this, Gina. This is, we are adopting the styles of Pablo Picasso, like the one that you saw on my left.
Al, why don't you upgrade the zoom?
If we upgrade it, it will be cost money, Glenn.
Oh.
All right, it's time for us to closing our session today. We're going to meet again on Wednesday, yeah, on 2 o'clock sharp.
Mommy, but I'm so lonely.
It's okay. We can continue on Wednesday.
Sorry, again. All right, for Gina, you can color it, and then we will meet again next week on Wednesday. We're going to learn about something. We're going to learn about Leonardo da Vinci, and then how we draw it like him. Okay. Now I want Aryani to, I want Ruth to present your work. Ruth, come on, Ruth.
Show your picture.
Wait,
Show your
Mommy.
picture
That's
first.
okay. You can continue later as long as your friends can see.
Okay.
It's okay,
It's okay.
if it's not done yet.
This is also...
It's not done yet, Ruthie. Just show them. We can continue later and then.
No, Mommy.
Okay, it's okay. If Ruth are still ongoing, we're going to Glenn first, yeah? Maybe Ruth are still
Against
our
teacher.
I'm drawing.
Wait, Glenn, I'm going to screenshot first. Ready, 1, 2, go. Okay, you can explain it, Glenn. Ready, 1, 2, go.
So my drawing is made from cubism, and I have a tree and a dragonfly. My coloring is rainbow.
And then, that's it. Thank you, Glenn. Now, Gina, can you please present your work?
I didn't color it fully. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Just let us learn from your drawing. The first one, the monster.
Oh, the monster. I want you to do the monster.
So
Nanti
you're
Jinas,
drawing like
Jinas,
nice,
Jinas
like
terus.
animation, yeah, like anime style. Okay, can you go to another drawing? Like, wait, I'm going to screenshot. Okay, go to your next drawing, please.
It's okay.
Yeah, how about the face? How about the face, Gina?
Oh,
Oh yeah.
even it's not finished yet. That's okay.
Can you explain the step by step how to draw it? Can you say something about your drawing, please?
What?
Say something about your drawing.
So it's about a drone. It's about with it's about a person with
Right. Is it hard for you to draw like that?
yes.
All right, yeah. Next week on Wednesday, please, everybody, you have to join on time because maybe I cannot repeat it one more time because we are having a very busy time nowadays to complete some of the students' score because I'm working on my yeah on my work. So Ruth, Gina, and Glenn, see you again on Wednesday. Yeah?
Okay, thank you.
See you again on Wednesday, and then on Wednesday we're going to learn about Leonardo da Vinci.
Wait, Leonardo da
Don't
Vinci.
forget to prepare the blank paper and marker. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ruth. See you again next time. Thank you, Gina.
Thank you.
Everyone.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Ruth, you wanna present your work, Ruth?
Share the ini. You wanna share this? No, you
Oh,
don't
you don't
want.
want to
That's
share it? It's okay. It's okay, mommy. See you again next Wednesday. Bye-bye.
okay. How to exit?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.